Little mermaid cake! Yeah! Oh, I'm so excited! I just love mermaids! Do you love mermaids too? Let's get started! Get our cake! And our creamy, creamy frosting. Smooth it in. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a super awesome cake. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments how much you just love mermaids. So excited for this cake today. When I grow up, I want to be a mermaid. Don't you? You ready for a super awesome trivia question? In The Little Mermaid, Ariel has a little red friend. Do you know her little red friend's name? Stay to the end to find out. Or if you think you know, you can leave us a message in the comments and see if you're right at the very end. Wow, you see how they're piping frosting? So cool! That looks amazing! And yummy! Ooh, and another color on top! How cool is this? Oh, I'm so excited! This is gonna look so cool! Of course, anything with mermaids is gonna look super awesome! So cool! All right, let's start modeling! It's gonna look so amazing! Remember, you can always practice on Play-Doh if you want to. Just don't eat your Play-Doh. Yucky! Oh, this is gonna look so amazing when it's all finished. Do you like playing with mermaids? Or maybe pretending you're a mermaid? Or going to a beach or swimming pool and swimming around? Wouldn't it be awesome if you had a mermaid tail? You could swim so fast! It'd be so much fun! Aww, she looks so cute! I hope you love mermaids as much as I do! 'Cause I love mermaids! So cool! Aww! Mermaid tails would be amazing! So fun! Watch how they do the little tiny fingers. Don't you just love watching these awesome cakes? And a mermaid tail. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Make sure you never ever miss a single cake. Because they're all so cool. Now they're gonna drop fins on. Aw, and add texture. Now it looks like real mermaid fins. Aww. Now we're gonna start putting her together. Just like a puzzle. But an even better puzzle. Because you can eat it. It's a mermaid! Any type of mermaid puzzle is awesome! Paint her little eyeballs! So cool! Be careful not to stick your fingers inside the paint. Aw, she looks so cool! She's gonna look so pretty when she's all done. It's gonna be so awesome! Super excited! Lots and lots of texture. Wow! Look how awesome her eyes are! Aren't those so pretty? That takes a while to do, but it looks so good when it's all done. Don't you think? Now we're gonna stick her tail on. How cool is that? Aww. You can't forget her seashells. Her seashell swimsuit. Do you have a seashell swimsuit too? Wow, that's kind of hard to say. Can you say seashell swimsuit 3 times fast? That's super hard. And her cute little flipper fins. Curly cues. Twist those curly cues. And seaweed. Wow, it's making a marble. Isn't that super awesome? Wow. That's so cool. That's your texture. Ooh, and this time we're gonna do seashell molds. Stick your stuff in there, let it set, and pop it out. Ta-da! How cool is that? All right, let's get her super awesome red hair. So pretty. Don't you just love red hair? I know I do. Wow! So pretty! All right, let's get our seaweed on the cake. So fun! All right, the answer to our trivia question, who is the Little Mermaid Ariel's red friend? His name is Sebastian! Did you know that? So fun! There she is on top of the cake. Isn't she look so cool? Stick her curly cues on top. Oh, and some pearls. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Tell us how much you love mermaids. Pretty, pretty pearls. Aww. How cute is she? I just love the pearls on top. So fun. And a mermaid. Aww. She's so cute. So fun! I'm so glad you could see this cake today. All the cute seashells, and ocean, and mermaid